August 19th, and we're beginning to see the beginning of our septic system being put in. As you can see, they're beginning to break some ground, locating some water lines so that we can install the new system. Here behind the Masters Commission building, they're going to tie in to this system and it'll all be connected together. So some of the equipment is out in the field already, and they're unloading the pipe that's going to connect it all together. So this is the day we've been looking forward to. So now we're beginning to see some things happening, and very shortly we're going to see a lot of activity going on out in the field as we get ready for the new building. Thank you for your support. Just continue to pray, continue to give, and we're going to see this thing become a reality.